This how to 1 minute will show you how to connect printful to Wix. First of all, create an account on printful. At the same time, make sure to create your Wix account and create a website. Now go to your printful dashboard and click on stores. And here you will get this option. Select choose platform. And here you will get Wix. So click on connect. Now scroll down. Click on connect to Wix. Now select the site where you want to link your printful. Click on agree and add. And click on continue. Click on connect store to. And that's it. Now my printful account has been successfully connected with Wix. Now I can easily upload product to my printful account and the product will be automatically added to my Wix website. That's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.